Total overkill drive.
So you can see the handoff.
I'll hold it as steady as I can.
It's gonna be hard.
It was hard. I'm sure it was harder outside because my hands were freezing.
That was a trap. I should have hit it. Oh, of course, now I screwed myself over. Oh my god. That's what a lift.
Do a donut.
Woo! Yeah, I'll probably knock my chains off if I do a donut.
Do a J turn. Woo! J.
Do a Q turn.
Why?
Does that even exist as a thing? Oh
Oh
man!
god. I can't see anything. This doesn't make a good YouTube video.
Woo! Woo! Uh-oh. High center. Alright, you might want to stop the video. It's going to be a nightmare.